Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Tinder account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to delete your Tinder account since you found someone else, or whatever your reason is, we can easily do it with just a few simple steps. Go tap open your Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into your account, go and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right now from your profile page, tap on the settings button. Scroll all the way down until you find the delete account button and tap it on. You can either pause your account without it being visible to others, or you can simply delete your account altogether. Tap on delete my account if you'd like to delete your account permanently and give anyone reason why you'd want to do so. Once you type in your region, tap and continue to account deletion, and you'll be able to delete your Tinder account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.